Akabeneza, Likee, or whoever you call it. Me, I call him Nene.
And you mean I make a choice all time. Why someone will back will be a boy.
When you become the favorite of the masses, it doesn't mean that you are the single person who is holding everything.
Because it's our tiny free moon and you may partner me like you.
And you go kasa baako for no ABCD in na industry ni gina wa omo maka no o ye omo dey
Even akosi ntweme ya de na nya ka kire me ye but emfa kasa kwanfa nimatem.
Ebusia, there's an ongoing beef between Bella Asamoah and Dr. Likee. Aye gidi gidi. Let's talk GH rumors and any first time I pop into my video. I'm sure say over subscribe the mama no click on notification bell no any upload be about sabit me aka na wa share my for na wa like and so the mama don't forget say any comments be I want to obeja comment section the mama. Bella Asamoah any one of Kumawood finest gentleman the huye fe ye and wako granting interview na interview no ekubisa na question concerning Kumawood say enkofo keka se Kumawood na ase ewu na Dr. Likee ana ama Kumawood no asori agina any response the odibi aba yi.
the law courts would have to take up and then justice prevails.
Okay. Miracle Films any fresh boy papaji train komo polino media here na o make key statement say Kenya Dr. Likee and the film industry is dead. Do you agree?
No. That is an unfortunate statement. That's a very unfortunate statement. Why would he say that?
Because in Kofobi I say Dr. Likee now hold the film industry.
You see, let me tell you something. In as much as I applaud my younger brother for what he's doing, you see, let us not always be quick to overpraise. When you do that, you make the other people feel what? What are you talking about?
No.
Let me tell you something. You see, I am looking at it from this angle. Dr. Likee. Oh yeah, dear pa. But he's got other people. You know what I'm saying? He has a team.
So be on there front line.
What is front line? What is front line? It is a teamwork. It is teamwork, my brother.
Okay, into Pastor Wadaroma, can it be say okay, Dr. Likee in the team and Aji Kumawood?
It's not true. It is never true. What is he talking about? On the GC as in how? He's working, other people are working. When Likee and co were doing their thing, the likes of Messiah Siedu and Dems were equally shooting TV series as well. You understand? There were equally other production houses who were also working. And let me tell you something. There is no way an industry would die.
Like the film industry.
How can you say it's dying, it's dead? It's like, what do you mean when you say it's dead?
Said now you had the production like before and like if I said 2020 coming but
productions were going on.
But the likes of Likee more pushy man for
pushy how they were doing their bit. Other people were also working. There are production houses in Accra who were equally working. What you say? What I'm trying to say is that if we have challenges as an industry,
it doesn't make it dead.
It doesn't make it dead. What is he saying? You see, that is how they talk. And Emma Obisu feel say, or no nedi Kumawood Dubai. And then or no anke Kumawood. How can you say that? We were working before he came into the industry or came into the system. We supported each other. We were all worked. When you become the favorite of the masses, it doesn't mean that you are the single person who is holding everything.
Yeah, because we have DOPs, we have editors.
You understand what I'm saying? I don't think I may make a choice. Say, in as much as I feel say almost yeah, Jumano, there are other people who are supporting. And you go kasa baako for no ABCD in na industry ni gina wa omo maka no o ye omo den ubu omo animti ana say o disregard omo effort. Okay. Masa obia no from 2000 and whatever omo nyina obia ye adwuma.
Okay.
Everybody has worked. So what is here?
Abusia aye response Bella Asamoah ede aba enono. Na after say Bella Asamoah ede ne response baaye ene ye ni baby friend e oku media no so de obi etage Dr. Likee so o mehwe de ye Bella Asamoah aka ede afa ne ho ene Dr. Likee nso waba wodi muaye mu odene enso ede amane
Ontimi nua mesre say industry ni ye nyina ye nya dai
Okay.
ye kamom ni empagya de na nchiri ma na eba no omu na this new system eba mu enkura na eba no na obaketo akwa de phone ma na hwede ode be
Yeah.
itiye masa ankura ne kwan me de no sa de bechim na awurade be ye madom na ade achime
Aboskemu
na menya obia wo street aboske we ogina we de adwuma no betim na
ontimi nya hwe bra.
ontimi nya hwe so etime de me de ne se de bia menya nipa foforo what talent na metimi aboa ma na talent na edey
Epie
me de no
aside no de obi aka bia na ma
David some de ontimi meka bibi nsi manim se aboa na akwase
David
sebe wonim nyi hu nse me yeah and now the mini asem
David
no I can't be this time around we're living in scientific world
me da say what we living in there
scientific world
that's
ye young kamom say rebufu me kwa me wo ye hwan na be catch him say they say una okura Kumawood me correct wo catch us chale
men kan sa
kasa ye nyina ye baako ne ye nyina ye nsum
yeah
na ye moa na adwuma ne mpagya so ebia wo me catch us ye kwasea but how am besi aka kwasea na kire wo
no na dia sembeba no no kre
o kana kura kire me aka kire me but the we abesi aka no kura kire me kire say wo
time no kre no kre pa no kre
me meka no kura na kire wo
afutu e wo mu mienu de obey na nim ode betu fo no na be kire so obe fa na asa wo mfa
enye me na meka kire so time wa asem a wo be ka wo bi ogina chi no be o ta boy
kre
so eti yenyi sa wo tan ni mfiri ye mu na enye me pa ne sa me be like you
there be
enye me pe
Enyame.
you go wakum nipa o movie mu a
what yes na me ba so nya me nko na me didi opa bi so bia me ne nam bia
oh yeah
enye me nko na me didi
oh yeah minim pa
o mo me ne o mu ye adwuma kwa opa mu mi sa papa kumase me fon kwa wunya me me mi su fon opa bi sa o mo sa hwan chisi ye hia wunya me fon no ane makasa me mpe ayi bia me tembe me hyemadu o me kame a
me count
said the one don't kind. Obekwa kan obeyi ba akwa ato ho. Hey, why you say intimacy mesre.
Yemfo do.
Ene koroye. Say even akosi antwime ya ade na nya. Ka kire me yie. But emfa kasa kwa amfa nimatem. What must say?
Expect me say me nsamfa wasem na wo ka no.
What you say? Aha, ka kire me. Akosi ade say. Ana obi a wo say oye Kumawood ni. O mebo mi audio a magina baabi akase
me na maje
o mo fasa audio no
me da say one don mami
Abuziana mekoso aka say any comment bi awo no ubeja e wo comment section ho e de amame Dr. Likee response no ene eye Bella Asamoah so asema o kan no me ye sure se mu nyina mate asem we nyina de kofa ba ye ni nyina gina say ye interview bi a ye Miracle Films ene papa ji ekoyeye eno ena kwetwe nsem we nyina ba ye na ekobisa ye Miracle say na Kumawood na asewu na asewu ana ye Miracle kwaka say oh enye say ewu but eja na nke ye wudie but Dr. Likee mone mo makeka na obo Matilda survey eye obubo odin abobo eye ohene yiri Mercy Esiedu ekunu abaso bubo nkofo bebredin de Dr. Likee mu nyina ba mu se omo anasese omama industry no engukura because producers bebre edwane nti ene okoso a ebo mo abaso eno anaija Ghana fo no bi chain na no si bone interviewer Bella Asamoah ko grante ye ekofa the same interviewer interviewer no make reference to miracle Asamoah kan ene akotwetwe saa beef we nyina ba se si ade comment Bella Asamoah ko kan no Dr. Likee eni anje ho asisi akoye banter between the two medimani edi akire any update bi ebefi ho ababia mesan de beba besom na meka wo se ye beto aba eho behia se bebo yasomdwe ho ban fi se Ghana yasomdwe mai medin de na make asense makram